Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove ads from Android phone. So guys, if you are using Android phone and many of ads are popping up on phone, then I'll help you how to remove or block these ads. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys after this you need to scroll it down. Here is the option of Google. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to wait for its opening, and guys here is the option of all services, and guys after this you need to click on ads, and guys after this here is the option of delete advertising id. So guys simply you need to delete this id, and guys click on delete id, and guys after this you need to go back, and guys the second method is you need to open any internet browser. So guys, for example, I am opening this internet browser, and guys after opening this simply you need to click on your Gmail account, and guys here is the option of manage your Google account. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to click on data and privacy, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys here you can see here is the option of my ad center. So guys simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to turn off this tab. So guys simply you need to click on turn off, and guys after turning off, all the ads or pop-ups will be removed on your Android phone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.